In this video, we are going to see how we can fix this error which says your credentials could not be verified or PIN is not available in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So let's see how we can easily resolve that. So first of all, what we can try is just restarting the computer. So once you restart your computer, you need to wait for 5 seconds before entering your PIN. So sometimes Windows needs some refreshing time, and maybe it's a glitch for a little bit of time. And also, if another application is conflicting with it, often restarting makes all the solution automatically for you because it refreshes the registry and everything. So after that, you just try to enter your password after waiting for 5 to 10 seconds and it should work fine. But if that doesn't solve the problem, what we need to do is we will try to access advanced command prompt options. So to get the command prompt option, you hold the shift key on your keyboard and click on the power button and hit restart. Click on restart anyway. And you will notice that it will show you a couple of options when it is restarted. And from these options, we will choose troubleshoot and we click on advanced options. And here we will get the option of command prompt. Click on that. And here we need to see that if we have the Windows installed in C drive, or you can try different drives by hitting enter. And once you see that Windows and program files are installed in a specific drive, and here we have to paste a command that I will mention in the description. So you just copy and paste that simply. We paste it here. Now after copying, we paste it here. Or in some cases where the pasting is not available, you might need to write it, but just be careful with what you write. And after that, we hit enter and it will show you the status. You close the command prompt and you click on continue and you just check if your PIN is now working, and in most of the cases it should. And after that, we just try writing the PIN or the password and it should work fine. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.